And then, since we're done with Moji, let's go back to Study Vault page. And now, let's try to do grammar. So, I also put goals here for the grammar. So, N5 has only 84. So again, when you click this button, there will be a pop-up message if you're ready to unlock this grammar journey. And then we choose Hi. So same with the Mojitail page, it will automatically be populated in the grammar database. So we can also open this as full page. And again, for you to not get confused, just choose the specific database you're studying for. And then again, under the level, we need to choose N5, and then we copy and paste for all. Okay. And now, you will see that we have here Bumpo lesson. So it's written in Hiragana. Grammar lesson, it's written in Romaji. Grammar meaning in English. For the grammar structure, sample sentences, Romaji. For sample sentences, English. Translation, and then the vocabulary, helpful notes, confidence level, and last, study. Okay, so say for example, we'll study the first four grammar here. So for the grammar structure, I decided to make this blank because I think it will help us to, you know, for better retention, especially if we're the one who are um, manually putting what we have learned or studied here. Okay, so say for example for cha ikenai or ja ikenai, so the grammar structure is the verb in te form. So that's verb te form, but we omit the te. We omit the te plus cha ikenai. Cha ikenai. Okay, so verb, then te, omit, and then we add cha ikenai. Okay, and for the sample sentence, let's say that we will make a sample sentence for hitotsu. So under the vocabulary column, we need to choose the word or the vocabulary, which is hitotsu. Okay, and then our sample sentence will be in hiragana. So, tai, hen, na, ru, ru, wo, hitotsu, hitotsu, de mo, wasurecha ikenai. Okay. 大変なルールを一つでも忘れちゃいけない。大変なルールを一つでも忘れちゃいけない。And then we translate this sample sentence to English. So it says that it must not do, but in spoken Japanese or casual. Because okay, in English that would be you must not forget even one important rule. Okay, And then let's say our confidence level here is we have a high confidence. And then we last studied on Tuesday as well. So we studied this, let's say, together with the Totsukanji. Okay? And then we do the same for the next three. So let's go with the sample sentence. Okay. Mm, Kabang, ah, kabang wa tatsu desu. Or tatsu da. Okay. Kabang wa futatsu desu. I have two bags. By the way, for the wa, so this is actually ha, but we pronounced it as wa. Okay. That's why I put wa here and not ha. And then for the vocabulary, we will choose tatsu. Okay. Then say we have or let's say we have medium confidence. Let's say we have medium confidence here and high confidence here. Okay. And then we studied December 3 and then dake. Dake. Mm, mm, Mitsu dake kaimashita. Mitsu dake kaimashita. I, 3つだけ買いました。I bought only. I bought three only. And then we link this in the vocabulary. Mitsu. And then we also have high confidence here. Um, mm, and then for daro, mm, tamago wa 4つだろう。卵は4つだろう。The eggs are probably 4. And then we choose the vocabulary here. Sorry. Okay. And then say we have high confidence here. Let's say medium here. Okay. And low here. Okay. And then December 5. Okay. So, and in the helpful notes, again, you can put anything here that you want that you think will help you to um, better understand these grammar points. Okay. So when we go back in the grammar lounge page, again, we have here navigations and we open again word bank. So now you will see that aside from the Moji level and Moji, so the grammar lesson and grammar level were also automatically linked to this certain vocabulary, which means that for the Yotsu, we were able to use it with grammar lesson Daro under JLPT N5. Okay, so you can choose if you want to, if you're looking for N5 kanji or the N5 grammar. Okay, and then again, when we go back to the home page and you open the grammar milestones, So now our grammar GLPTN5 has also 5% progress out of our 84 goals. Okay, so yep, that's how it works for these 4 pages. I created them in a way that they are related with each other.